Imagine this. A missile streaks across the sky at 5 times the speed of sound. It's just 20 seconds from leveling a city. Suddenly, boom, it vanishes in a flash of light. So what just happened? That's the invisible shield of air defense systems at work. Today, we're breaking down how these modern marvels turn sci-fi into reality. Stick around, this might just be the most important tech you've never seen. Before we see the shield, let's talk about the spears. Modern air threats are faster, smarter, and deadlier than ever. Drones, cheap, swarming, and super hard to spot. Stealth jets, basically invisible to traditional radar. Hypersonic missiles, traveling at Mach 5 or faster, with unpredictable paths. Against threats like these, failure isn't an option. So how do we stop the unstoppable? Step 1. See the threat. Enter radar, the system's eyes. Long-range radar can spot targets over 400 miles away like Russia's Voronezh. Phased arrays can electronically steer beams without any moving parts. Stealth? No escape. Modern AESA radars use thousands of tiny emitters to find even invisible jets. Data floods into the command center, the system's brain. AI algorithms calculate threat priority in milliseconds. Is it a missile? A passenger jet? Maybe just a flock of birds? Human operators make the final call. Engage or stand down. Now unleash the interceptors. These aren't just missiles, they're hyper-specialized hunters. Hit to kill or kinetic interceptors smash targets head-on. Proximity warheads create shrapnel clouds that shred drones or missiles, and with layered defense, you've got short-range systems for mortars and long-range ones for ballistic missiles. Let's walk through a real engagement. First, radar picks up a launch 200 miles out. Next, systems lock on, predicting its path. Then, command identifies it as hostile, and the operator authorizes a strike. After that, the interceptor launches. Finally, kinetic kill, no warhead needed. All this happens in under 2 minutes. One slip, and it's game over. Not all shields are alike. Iron Dome in Israel has a 90% success rate against rockets, and it's cost-effective too. The S-400 from Russia hunts stealth jets at 250 miles. And then there's Aegis from the USA, warships that can stop ICBMs from space. The real trick is layered defense with short, medium, and long-range systems stacking coverage. But here's the weakness: saturation. If 100 missiles fire at once, even the best shield can crack. Next time you look up at a quiet sky, just remember, an army of engineers, operators, and metal guardians are standing watch. These systems don't just defend land, they defend peace. If you learned something new, smash that like button, because it really helps more people see this. Want part 2? Vote above for deep dives on hypersonic weapons or drone swarm tactics. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Stay curious, stay safe, and see you next time.